Hello friends, welcome to CraftGully Loom Kit. This is our loom frame. These are the 3 different needles. This is a beater. This is a cardstock to be used as the base. This is the warp thread. And these are the different yarns which are there. Let's get started. Take the warp thread and we shall loop it from one end to the other, starting from one side, and knot it at the back. Make it as tight as possible so that it's nice and stiff. Now we will start looping the warp around the frame. Warping it back and front allows us to have thread at the end to knot up the edges very well. Take the cardstock and pass it through the thread layer through and through on one side and use it at the base. This is where we will anchor our yarn. Now needle the yarn from the color you want to start with. You can roughly take about 10 times the length of the piece that you would want to create of the tapestry. Starting from the top, start alternating on the warp threads. And pull through till you have about an inch left at the end. This is how you alternate it. Make sure the cardstock stays in place. Continue alternating the warp threads with your needle. You can pick the size of the needle that you wish. There are 3 sizes given in the kit. Pull it through like an arc like this. Take the beater and push the thread down to the base like this. Nice and tight. Now we will continue go backwards in the opposite direction, again doing an alternate up and down. So if you've ended with an up, you start with a down. And you continue in the same fashion.